वैलेंटाइन पता है क्या होता है? मनाते हैं.
Oh no!
You got your answer.
We boys celebrate Valentine because we feel that the wives should be with us on the valley and we'll just push them down. I came into her life got complete. She came into my life got finished.
Completely finished.
Who proposed?
Yeah.
I remember waking up the first day after we got married and I'm like, do I feel married? मतलब what's supposed to be different? I don't get angry at all.
जो गलतियां करेगा वो तो पेशेंट रहेगा ही ना. Where are you? What are you doing? When are you coming back? Don't do this, don't do that, don't do this, don't do that. ये मत करो, ये मत करो. और उसके शादी के 10 साल बाद बोलेंगे, you know something, darling? You have changed.
This interview is turning into a ranting session. I'm liking it.
And on top of it, we are saying we are both happy. और देखो कैसे complain कर रहे हैं.
Ajay, do you guys still go out on dates?
Of course, no.
मेरा दिमाग कम है इसीलिए choice.
Oh my god.
How's that?
Perfect. Very common term, situationship.
आपको as and when I need you, I will use you.
Here is the red flag.
Red flag?
नहीं, मैं दूसरों के लिए बोल रहा बाबू. मेरा ऐसा कोई शिप ही नहीं है बाबू मेरी तो.
Wishing everybody celebrating a very happy Valentine from both of us.
सोशल मीडिया के ज़माने में लव लेटर वाला प्यार, लॉन्ग ड्राइव के ज़माने में मरीन ड्राइव वाला प्यार, और बड़े बड़े गिफ्ट्स के ज़माने में वो छोटे से जेस्चर और गुलाब वाला प्यार ढूंढने हम आ चुके हैं आज शीबा और आकाशदीप के घर पे. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू मिड डे. दिस इज शशि चतुर्वेदी एंड टुडे इन कॉन्वर्जेशन विथ मी इज़ आवर स्टार कपल आकाशदीप एंड शीबा. हाय गाइज, वेलकम टू मिड डे.
Hi, thank you for
having us. He's old, I'm the school.
तो सबसे पहले तो हमारा वैलेंटाइंस डे स्पेशल है. तो आप लोग वैलेंटाइंस डे मनाते हो कि एवरी डे इज अ वैलेंटाइंस डे?
What's Valentine? Valentine पता है क्या होता है? मनाते हैं. You got your answer.
I got the answers.
I celebrate Galentine actually.
Okay.
So I meet a bunch of my girlfriends and then we celebrate love. Galentine is in, Valentine is not in anymore.
we boys celebrate Valentine because we feel that the wives should be with us on the valley and we'll just push them down.
Call the FBI.
28 साल के बाद हाउ डू यू स्पेंड वैलेंटाइन, बहुत ही दुखद सवाल है. बट आई थॉट दिस इंटरव्यू वाज फन, तो डोंट स्टार्ट ऑन अ सैड नोट.
Okay, 28 years. आज की डेट में जो रिलेशनशिप्स हैं उसमें सिचुएशनशिप्स हैं, उसमें कमिटमेंट नहीं है. तो हाउ डू यू सी दिस द चेंज आपके टाइम में और अभी? व्हाट इज द चेंज?
आई felt that people put in a lot of effort in the relationship and बोला भी जाता है कि यार शादी में don't take each other for granted, constantly work on your marriage and keep adjusting between both of them and तब जाके एक successful marriage in the long run होती है. But surprisingly I don't know whether she agrees, हमारे लिए ऐसा रहा है ना that everything just happened organically. I did not change one bit. मैं जो पागल आदमी था पहले अभी भी हूँ.
He said it, I didn't.
रात को 4 बजे मुझे टीवी देखना है, ये बेचारी रूम में सोई है तो ये मुझे बोलती है हेडफोन लगा लो. मैंने बोला हाँ, वेरी गुड आइडिया, आप लगा लो ताकि आपका आवाज़ ना डिस्टर्ब हो और सो जाओ. एवरी डे डजंट नीड टू हैव अ हाई पॉइंट कि रोज आज तो कमाल हो गया, हम बैठ के हमने दोनों ने वाइन पिया. ये बॉलीवुड की फिल्म नहीं है, ये रियल लाइफ है.
To answer your question, now relationships are very complicated because people don't have patience anymore. They have too many options. So one of the first things I learned is when you're in a relationship, don't give yourself options कि I can walk out whenever I want. Think that you're in for the long haul.
तभी कंप्लीट होता है ना जब दोनों की तरफ से हो. वन साइडेड में फिर झगड़े होंगे. अभी कंप्लीट का दूसरा वर्ड बोलिए. सेम वर्ड इन इंग्लिश. फिनिश्ड. आई फिनिश्ड इट, आई कंप्लीटेड इट. ओके. अब हमारी रिलेशनशिप वैसे है. आई केम इनटू हर लाइफ गॉट कंप्लीट. शी केम इनटू माय लाइफ गॉट फिनिश्ड.
My God.
सेम वर्ड्स है ना, डोंट मिसअंडरस्टैंड.
Completely finished.
एक और चीज होती है लाइफ में कि समटाइम्स सम गर्ल्स जस्ट गेट लकी टू फाइंड अ गुड हस्बैंड. वो भी तो एक तरीका है टू हैव अ हैप्पी मैरिज.
Right.
And who is the lucky one?
Obviously.
Yeah, me. I'm very lucky.
Time 28 years back. Who proposed? Or
जब मैं
the
छोटा
guy who
बच्चा
is
था
finished?
The
बड़ी
guy was
शरारत
finished.
करता
He
था.
decided to enter into this apocalypse.
He signed up for it, sir.
He signed up for it.
That I will accept.
Yes. It wasn't me. It was all him.
Can you just let us know what that day looked like?
So Akash directed me before we started dating in 2 films. We started dating around the 3rd film.
No, Miss for 20.
हाँ, that was our 3rd film together.
Second.
That was our second.
प्यार करो के बाद मिस फॉर 20.
हाँ.
उसके भी गोवा शेड्यूल में अट्रैक्शन हुआ, मस्ती होती थी. आई लाइक टू हैव फन ऑन द सेट. आई एम नॉट वन ऑफ दोस सीरियस डायरेक्टर्स. सो विश टू जोक, विश टू लाफ, एंड प्रॉब्ली इनके उतने करियर में ऐसे फनी लोग बहुत कम मिले होंगे इनको. तो वहाँ से एक स्पार्क हुआ. फिर मैंने, बिकॉज सी फॉर शीबा इट कुड हैव बीन एन अफेयर. Could have. I'm not putting anything in mind. ठीक है, एक अच्छा लड़का है, may result in an affair or it will just end after the film जैसे normally होता
Affair
है.
is a bit intense. It was just like a fling.
No, I'm not saying. I'm saying yeah. If
Fling.
for her it could have been that, but I realized कि मैं 30 plus हो गया हूँ. तो मुझे अगर लगता है कि मुझे एक relationship में अब जाना है, तो I was looking at settling down. She may have not been. I was.
Okay, so you guys met on a film set, and there the love story began.
Yes.
और मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हमारा अफेयर भी शुरू हो गया. इसको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है कि जल्दी से शादी करें. इसको तो 10 साल और चलता कि अफेयर चले. तब मैंने रियलाइज किया मुझे प्रपोज करना ही पड़ेगा यार, वरना क्या मैं जब मतलब दादाजी होऊंगा तब शादी करूँगा.
तो डेटिंग से मैरिज के बाद लाइफ कितनी बदलती है?
Finished and complete.
That's what
my
we said actually in the beginning. Okay, we didn't try to change each other. We didn't
Ah.
try to change our lifestyles. We didn't try to impose. So we went on as we were.
No, not what you said. We didn't try to impose. Or I didn't try to impose.
You impose even now.
Oh बाप रे.
I didn't get imposed, and I did not impose on him.
Yeah, she did not.
That's how it just went on casually. Like I remember waking up the first day after we got married, and I'm like, do I feel married? Matlab, what's supposed to be different?
Yeah.
Nothing was different.
Wow, 28 years of marriage plus 4 years of dating makes it 32.
No, Shachi, we don't fight too much.
He fights. I don't fight.
No, that's not fight. Maybe it's the way males are made. मैं एक मिनट के लिए irritate हूँ. अरे ये क्यों ना खत्म. But वो not holding
Like
it.
I have a
कि कट्टी, फिर उसके
Very-
बाद 4 दिन बाद खत्म,
I
रात दिन
have a
बाद
super
गए.
patient temperament. I don't get angry at all. Like it
Really?
takes a lot to.
जो गलतियां करेगा वो तो पेशेंट रहेगा ही ना. ये मैं हूँ जो भड़क के फॉरगेट कर देता हूँ. आप तो गलतियां करते करते करते
So I
आगे निकल जाती
basically
हो.
have zero temperament. I don't get angry. Keep quiet. That I think is the secret to a happy marriage. कि वो बोली जाए आप सुनो ही मत. एक आदमी बोले और एक नहीं सुने बस. Then
नहीं,
you're
but-
happy marriage.
नहीं, but अभी jokes
Happy marriage.
jokes aside, one quality of hers that has helped this relationship to sustain and remain in a position where we both can smile genuinely is that she gives space. वरना आदमियों का मैंने अपने दोस्तों का देखा है, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा. Where are you? What are you doing? When are you coming back? Why are you doing this? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do this. Don't do that. Don't do this. Don't do that. ये मत करो, ये मत करो. और उसके शादी के 10 साल बाद बोलेंगे, you know something, darling? You have changed. अबे 10 साल से ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ये मत करो. सारा तो तुमने चेंज करा. फिर बोलते you have changed. So that space allows that you are not bitter towards each other. Silent moments में भी मैं अकेला हूँ तो मैं नहीं सोच रहा हूँ ये शिवा यार साला जब देखो ऐसी की तैसी करते ना. Because we have given each other space.
No, he doesn't give me space. I give him space. अभी आपने बोला था झूठ नहीं बोल.
This interview is turning into a ranting session. I'm liking it.
And on top of it we are saying we are both happy. और देखो कैसे complain कर रहे हैं.
She was green flag before it was a thing.
No, what is your definition of green flag?
Everything you define Shiva as is a green flag. Nice.
She's a dark green flag. More than what I wanted.
Yeah, she's a green forest. That's how people say it.
Wow, I like this interview.
Yeah, that I will agree.
Oh my god. अच्छा, जैसे गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड होते हैं तब ये वाली लड़ाई नहीं होती कि तुम्हारे मॉम डैड ने मुझे ये बोल दिया या तुम्हारे मॉम डैड, क्या शादी के बाद ये लड़ाई होती है?
नहीं, मॉम डैड को लेके तुम्हें में थोड़ी सी कभी कभी अगर होती है तो इट इज लाइक एनी कॉन्वर्सेशन. Like
Actually, I have never fought with his parents. And
no,
I've never,
not with parents. She's saying with each other. Parents, we
with
can't
each
fight.
other, with each other, of course, we'll have. some
अरे यार, why
kind of
did dad do this? यार, why did your mom do this? अरे today, why did your mom? Leave it, ना darling. क्या है यार? They are all 70, 75.
I have
Both of us have that attitude. छोड़ो यार, छोड़ो.
No, I
let
have
it.
never brought like any disagreement, or if I didn't
Yeah,
like
yeah,
something,
yeah.
I never brought it to his notice. And I tell my friends and I tell young couples that, "Ke fight it yourself. You're adults now. Why bring the man in the middle? How is he supposed to choose between a mother and a wife?"
अच्छा, do you guys still go out on dates?
Of course, no. परसों हम लोग गए शिबा और मैं अकेले एक प्ले देखने गए. उसके बाद दोनों हम डिनर पे गए अरबाब रेस्टोरेंट में. क्यों अब
I can just smell a lie.
नो कसम से
It's
आई हैव
true?
फोटोग्राफ्स.
Okay.
मेरा दोस्त
Is he saying the truth?
Yeah, of late, I think.
देखो
he's
2 दिन
become-
पहले डेट पे गया.
Of late, he's kind of become open to me, saying, "Ke let's go out."
हाँ
Otherwise,
वो ना
पहले
पहले
he
मुझे
used to
हम
say,
बाबू चलो हम दोनों सुबह से रात तो साथ में रहते. कोई किसी को तो साथ में ले चलो यार, कोई बातें हो. नो एंड गर्ल्स का क्या होता है, नो आई जस्ट यू एंड मी.
No, I never say just you and me. I say, "Kare, what will we both do together?"
What are your pet names for each other?
बाबू.
Any
Babu.
funny?
Babu.
Any funny name?
Babu.
Only Babu.
Oh, हाँ, I can. That though I've heard in this interview.
And now it's become like so lame because everybody is saying it. Ki now I'm like, Babu, we have to stop calling each other Babu because now it's like pretty
But
lame.
when Shiba is not in the room and I'm talking about Shiba, most of the conversation is such कि उसके बाद you have to end and say end of the day सरदारनी ना.
जात पे मत जाना.
जात पे जो सरदारनी हो सरदारनी.
मेरा दिमाग कम है इसीलिए choice.
Oh my god.
How's that?
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक.
किड्स के आने के बाद उनके सामने भी या उनके नहीं होने पर भी या होने पर भी थिंग्स आप लोगों का बिहेवियर एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट होता है या इट्स द सेम?
It's
Same.
absolutely the same.
Same.
In fact, my kids, if they go someplace anywhere and they see a couple fighting, they'll get little horrified because they haven't actually seen Joy and me ever speak badly or scream. You know, in a house that chillam chilli doesn't go on. Basically, then the boys, because they've seen that their parents don't have all these like machi wala fights in the house and screaming and shouting, they are very respectful to their girlfriends. Like I have never seen them scream or shout or argue because that's not the way they've been brought up.
No, in front of them, I don't think they must have ever. एक आध बार in 15-20 they must have seen us arguing. थोड़ा.
No, they've seen Joy screaming a lot.
No, yeah.
But not
बाकी
me. And we all like look at each other and we're like, we don't take
बाकी
it seriously.
इतना शिबा ने संभाला हुआ है 28 साल में कि जब वो मारती है ना मुझे तो वो बेडरूम में या अंदर के बच्चों को आज तक नहीं लगता कि शिबा ने हाथ उठाया.
Yeah.
कभी नहीं.
Oh my god.
वो मेंटेन करके रखा है.
I can literally talk to you both the entire day because you guys are so fun to talk to, honestly. We have a very fun segment for you too. And I can see that Akash is failing in this one. I am sure.
Yoo-hoo!
I'm failing.
Come sunshine.
आप दोनों ने एक घंटा पहले क्वेश्चंस खुद ही तैयार किए होंगे.
Because
Cheating.
it's a Gen Z lingos जो अभी use होते हैं and you guys have to guess what it is.
Uh-oh. This one's going to be tough.
Okay. So starting with the easy one. Friend zone.
Huh?
Friend zone. He doesn't know.
No, I know. What if I
know
do answer in
if
this?
if you're like, so if you're soft on a girl, but she's not taking you seriously in that way, that means she's friend zoned you.
Did you ever friend zone him?
I did.
She still does.
Very common term, situationship.
हाँ, that मतलब आपको as and when I need you, I will use you. Obviously.
Ouch.
Yeah. This applies to most women. We boys are very innocent.
Oh my god, such a
sucked into
liar.
fully jhoot.
We get stuck into it. Situationship. And especially when you're married, then you can't have other relationships. Now you have to have situationships only.
Oh my God, Shiva.
मरना थोड़ी है.
Here is the red flag.
Red flag?
नहीं, मैं दूसरों के लिए बोल रहा बाबू, मेरा ऐसा कोई शिप ही नहीं है बाबू, मेरी तो.
Okay, next is red flag.
Red flag is a very common term that, you know, danger, थोड़ा डर, थोड़ा be careful.
And green flag?
Green
Me,
flag,
Shiva.
go ahead.
Yeah, agreed.
She's the perfect one for you. वो भी मैंने अभी सीखा शुरू में इंटरव्यू के. Green jungle.
Next is ghosting.
When you are trailing, tracking and trolling
No,
someone.
wrong. Whoop! Ghosting is when I have a friend but they stop returning my calls or stop responding to me. That means I ghosted you.
No,
I
no.
get that
Let her
sweet
decide whether the answer is right. I'll give my answer of what is ghosting. Then she'll say who won.
Khalas.
Ghosting is when you are married and after a few years of marriage in the morning, when you wake up and your wife's face you see. Whoa!
Okay.
That is ghosting, am I
I
right?
agree. And I cannot,
Yes, I won.
take away this point.
That is called ghosting.
No, Shiva is right here because you gave such an interesting 10 marks ka elaborated answer. You got this point.
अच्छा, sorry बाबू, आप हो ghosting.
Okay, next is gaslighting.
Gaslighting. When you approve something.
That's absolutely incorrect.
Correct.
You have the answer. Silent.
Maybe.
Acha, wait. Gaslighting is when you are doing ungli, when you're provoking, when you're creating a fight.
You're just making it worse. It's not even close.
I give up. Give up. Gaslighting how? When I ask for coffee और वो on करता है stove.
Yeah, no. Absolutely wrong.
Over to you.
I'm a bit confused.
Gaslighting is actually when someone tries to manipulate you and convince that that person is right.
तो मैंने बोला ना वो अच्छा नहीं मैंने उंगली उंगली.
No, you didn't say it.
अच्छा, gaslighting and someone is trying to be nice and actually
Manipulating,
create a manipulating. Oh, he's gaslighting. Okay.
Zombie.
Huh?
Oh my god. No, we don't know.
Zombie means useless.
Before he has his coffee.
Waste,
That's him.
useless, dead.
He's a zombie before he has his coffee.
Okay, that is a very nice explanation. But zombieing actually means when someone disappears from your life and then they come back after years when they need it.
ये कौन बनाता है ये terms?
Gen Z.
Last one, pocketing.
Zombieing is something that every male expects from his wife.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
चले जाए कुछ साल and when I'm old enough अब बर्दाश्त कर लूँगा, that time she comes back. Correct, that's zombieing.
Okay, good.
मैंने show के वापस आना.
He is winning this round. I am sure. One last, pocketing.
You might as well take this one as well.
No, pocketing. Wait. If you have an answer, you go.
I don't know.
Pocketing means taking unnecessary credit, needless credit.
No, it's never
Pocketing.
as obvious as that.
जो पॉकेटिंग मीन्स जो शिबा करती है कि जब भी मेरी कुछ कमाई हुई अपने जेब में डाल दिया पैसा जो बाबू शो हाउ मच यू मेड ट्वाइन शी इज पॉकेटेड इट
Pocketing is keeping an option in your pocket.
और कीपिंग एन ऑप्शन इन योर पॉकेट
Yeah, if not this, then this. That is pocketing.
दैट इज व्हाट मोस्ट मेन विश बट मोस्ट वुमेन डू
Oh my god, ouch. Again.
गर्ल पावर
I agree. I agree.
So, on that rather happy note, thank you so much, guys, for connecting with us. It was fabulous and absolute fun.
थैंक यू सो मच यू आर वेलकम एवरी टाइम
Thank you and keep watching Midday.
Wishing everybody celebrating a very happy Valentine from both of us. From me.
हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.